Learn how to easily share your shopping cart with team members or external contacts on the Festo website. To do this, first log in to the Festo website with your login data. Then add the desired items to your shopping cart. Now click on Share. In the next step, please enter your name and email address. Then choose who you'd like to send the shopping cart to. At the end, you have the option to add a message for the recipient. To complete the process, please click Send to forward the shopping cart to the selected recipient. Your shopping cart has been successfully sent to the intended recipient. They will shortly receive a separate email containing a link to the shared cart. By clicking this link, the recipient can view the cart and, if authorized, make edits or place an order.